Tamara. I want a fun drive to Mr. Malungelo said.
Hi there, it's Senzo. We want a fun drive for Mr. Malungelo said.
Hi guys, this is Letabo. We want a fun drive with Mr. Malungelo said.
What up guys, this is Beza Busy. We are on a fun drive with Mr. Malungelo said.
Let's get it.
Mr. Malungelo said.
Okay, this is Nyembe. I'm with Kaba. We are on Fun Drive and Mr. Malungelo said.
We groove until the morning. Chabusuku bonge, nabantu bonge. Agulala lamganwa. We groove until the morning, till the morning, till the morning. Agulala lamganwa. We groove until the morning, till the morning, till the morning. Agulala lamganwa. We groove until the morning.
So sense ngimazi nje kudala enceda yena kudala ebhekela I think kumele umodela ukuthi hayi mina ngiyaphakama mina ke ngiyakwazi ukucula bafethu ngiyavimba nyana ngithi nguwe ihamba kanjani saseyona that's why ngayena Mr. Malungelo said hayi beke ngiziqualify ngasetivole ngiculayo le yona shem but ke mfowethu ngithi ngiyabonga sakubongela mfethu unyaka omusha uhlanganisa sibaningi emhlumasi ngithi ngithanda nje ukubonga kakhulu mfowethu ngifisela inhlanhla ukukhule ubusiseke qhubeke ngalento yenzayo lento yenzayo ukuhlanganisa kanje mfowethu ubeya ngayo asibe igroup njengoba eshila umfowethu ukuthi ake sishaye igcwala and ngiyabona bese sizoyishaya sizothi but
No, umuntu omdala. Hayi wakude wife manje. Umuntu omdala lona bafethu Khotman lami kuya kude kakhulu la yes usho ukuthi mara obvious abalaba yazi Senzo umlindeni bazu wise man ngami ya ngizosho namhlanje ngikhamela bamazi ngami ubhuti omdala bafethu kade siyincenga lento sibambe from le emuva namhlanje siyabonga ukuthi sikwazi futhi ukuhlangana sihlanganiswa uye futhi ubhuti omdala sayibambile namhlanje saya nayo phambili thina sisivezi kakhulu mara sile ku background ya ubhuti omncane lo
So into eningi nima ukushoda apho shoko uyokhala uzindlela ayikhona.
Ikhona into esho kodwa kumanje. Ikhona into esho.
Ayavela. Uyokuthi hayi khona ungahambi kahle lapho. Sheshe ilungise lento, sheshe icazulule yonke into. Impela hayi. Ngoba aqhubeka. Siye ngale kuyantaba so awuba singazi ukwenza ngale yantaba so sobona sesibona khona sonke naye. Isimpela yodwa hayi ngaphambili. Ya nakunya ozayo njalo. Kodwa phela akeze ukuba yedwa ozayo. Yona ndio nafuni Mandela makukhonike. Sivala le ndaba.
Asibongile hayi. Siyabonga kakhulu. Mina ngingabiza like esayidini lami ngingedwa. Khona into engakukhaya yona ukuthi uNkulunkulu wasemhlabeni kimi. uNkulunkulu wasemhlabeni lona omunye ngibuye ngimbone umasongala. Bafethu ngiyabonga kakhulu into senzele yona nento yenza kithi mihla namalanga. Inkosi kubusise. Ukupho kungaphezulu kwalokho okufunayo ngiyabonga. Danko.
Akina mantswe a mangata. Akina nako e ngata ke metsi ma wise men but thuso a ntlileng yone ka re ke dijara ke mo ena ke mitsitse from last year but thuso ke tlotse go yena e kgolo so ke se sa ke te modimo a ka mo tsete a mo fe matla mo tlhogonolo a nna tswele pele a mo sofa ke right.
Everyone has said everything in Everyone has said. Why is man so tight around from back to and Uncle Mary just fought this guy is helping a lot of people, bro. I don't value too much of what he does for me. I value too much of what he does for others. Hey, I don't have a way to live. I don't have them. I keep
Wise men is a very close friend of so into escalating and then until soon to step down below. Then I'm feeling my first breakthrough. And I just stopped the controls. And then I see stop on the shop. And that's a stove. Whatever for Kim Tosabu, Kim Toto Tafaho. So I appreciate it. Tungulam, oriented Tanyon, you have to have a Tanyon. And that support the full thick and thin. Oh, Labaka, last for that, Lamuchos, that they so I will go for and I do not have a piece of a hotel like a whoopie. I'm to tell like a whoopie, or an answer for so for this the booster for the whoopie. So I'm
I am inspired by your work ethic. And like I said, I'm not going to say much, but may the universe conspire now for you to achieve whatever you want to achieve. And then see more.
Mase ngikhuluma ngiyavala. Angengikwazi ukunibingelela nginibingelelile. Sesikhulumile kwaba kuningi so akusasizi ukuthi ngibingelele futhi. Yazi mina konke into ebalekile empilo. Uma unabantu eduze kwakho
ngithanda lokho uma kunabantu eduze kwami ikona kungijabulisayo uma kunabantu abaphilayo baya phambili empilweni kuyajabulisa lokho ngoba one of the days kubasa kibuka sithu ndati
no ngiyabuzwa
bona wewe umshebi wa tenkaro tawela mufati yeah kanjalo so mina on my side into ebalulekile ukuthi siphilisaneni sithi ma sibambane siphambili uma khona olimalayo simsize simpholise akhule naye phambili esenzela ini ngoba ikusasa asilazi sonke ukuthi lesiphatheleni ungaba ne-10 million rand kwi-account namhlanje kusasa ufe usino wayekuyida nosilo imali yakho
True.
sekuphelile ngasikhathi kunjalo labantu ade babalekela abasekho kuwe ngalesi sikhathi leso ngamanye amagama lento ile gama ukuthi ayibuilda iyaphela so mina ngithi the best thing out of all ukuthi sibuilde i-empire siyeke ama-legacy wethu even though sizothi siwagcina akhona but singawabuildi that much sibuilde i-empire because the difference between the two i-legacy izobuildwa i-HOD ilo muntu responsible kanti i-empire ibuildwa igroup yabantu ababambisene so if sizobuilda i-empire siyazi ukuthi if kuthi umlindela akasekho kusasa umfazi wakho usafe anginankinga naloko mina ngizokwenza show umfazi wakho usafe uma sasa mina ngingasekho ngiyazi ukuthi abantu bazobathi uMr Malungelo sena kodwa mawukuthi mina ngifuna ukuphila ngeyi-one lot kuzobela kusasa but masibambisana sikwenza ngeyonze kuphela so that's very important akekho umuntu ongizothi mina angifuna ukuphila naye unemali awunamali ukhuluma isuthu ukhuluma isishangane ubuye emafamu ubuye elokishini kimi kuyafana ma umuntu phambi kwami umuntu ofuna usizo umuntu ofuna impilo njengami lapho engisuka khona nami ngafundiswa kanjalo ngifuna usizo nami futhi ngiyasiza ngifuna usizo futhi nami ngiyasiza so masizobambisana kanjalo I think singaya kude kakhulu ngazi abanye bathi kunzima ukukhuluma nale ndoda lena uma ufuna something uzoqala uthini ya injalo ngiyazi if kune-problem serious ungahesitate ungazagive if I can't if I can I will that's the only thing but ungathi uthatha i-decision uthi hayi angazi ngizoqala ngikhulume kanjani nothiwa seyinto engiyibonile everywhere into engiyibone eKimberley ezimayini ngiyibone Cape Town ngiyibone everywhere lapho engifika khona sibe njalo usenze ufakazi wami bamfakela ama-shocks a-wrong ngenye iday abelungu ngapana e-western fanele bantu western area ne ngamthuma bamgolozela bafuna ukumsiza aye kubuye Rustenburg ngajika kunephoyisa lendiya lisiza laba abanye lithi there's no way mangifika nje ngimisa imoto kanje wathi lona hayi mina sorry mina ngingeni kusho iphoyisa ngathi hayi mina ngingeni ngihamba la hamba iphoyisa mangiya kongena kulo muntu lona Dalwisa usenze uthi no your brother didn't understand we can fix it now angakhulumi lutho njalo ngiyafika nje yaphela kanjalo into so nami sengigcina manje sengithi hayi senze nawe kodwa wrong but ngithi senze wrong ngoba ngifuna lokuthi singali phambi kwabantu akenzanga nix wrong but so I understand again manje ukuthi isikhathi bathwale kanzima nje ngoba ngisuke ngenze nje ayisihambe ku-right so at the end of the day into ebalulekile ukuthi siphile bafethu asike sibambaneni sisizaneni siphilisaneni I think if we can do that namhlanje sike ngibheme kusasa lo ungathi uma ukuthi kuhamba kahle kuwe bese ulahla abanye abantu ngicela uphile nawo wonke umuntu usize lona ozokhona ukumsiza singakhulumani ngendlela ezi-wrong singabekani amabala It's very important. Singabekana amabala omunye maphumelela athi uphethe ifoni S22 bese azothi omunye hayi mina vele ngine-bite kanti angazi i-bite lena mawuthi uhambela nge-bite yakho uhambela injalo ungathi mina i-GR angiboni makuthi
Nepolo manje ezinye imoto ziyayishiya
sinekuphela nethi sizoku-advise sikutshela ukuthi okay manje ngenxa yesimo se-South Africa izinto azihambi kahle yekela iPolo thola i-Corona yekela i-BMW thola i-Mercedes why because uzolasta for long akusizi phela ngikhuluma into ebalulekela akusizi ukuthatha i-fake ngenxa yokuthi ufuna abantu bakubuka thola i-original
Original Mercedes.
No, I'm not on cars now. I'm back on the real point. I'm back on the real point. So, what I want to say, if you build something as a solid. Build something as a solid. Also, now, one of the days, laphana ngisebenzile ithi mawuthola 20,000 rand usebenzise ngendlela right. Forget ukuthi abantu bazothini. Ungathi namhlanje kumele ngibonakale ngidonsa i-VSOP. Asinawari nalento leyo thina. Asinawari. Mina angiphuzi utshwala mara nginabo endlini ubugcwele so. Angiphuzi. So mawuzocela nabo VSOP awuzangena egate lami ngaphela. Awusayi egate lami. So izinto ezikanje ngalezo-ke kumele uthi uma wenza something wenzele ukuthi kusasa tomorrow unabantwana. Abantwana bakho abakwazi ukuthi mababonakala estradini kuthi ubabweni wayahamba nge-Mercedes kukanini enhlupheka kanjani. It's wrong. If mina ngingekho umlindeli uzobanaka abantwana bami ngoba uyazi nginemfazi. Kube nginomfazi mhlawumbe ukusenza lezo zinto.
Hayi wasikole ngikhona. Not mina ngikhona never.
So yabona into njalo.
Never.
Abantwana bami ngiyazi ukuthi bane-backup kanjani ngenze sure ukuthi the walls around me is solid. Ngenza sure ukuthi uma ngiya phezulu ngibeka ama-sponge around the day ngiwa angiweli ematsheni ngithola ama-sponge ngiwa
khona ukukhuphuka futhi
uma uthola isponge ufuna uyashaya uyabhamba uyaphinde uyabamba phezulu sawuzoncenga lapha phezulu abantu wagcina ubambe khona phansi sawuzoncenga doti kanjani ngoba uyazi ukuthi lapho phansi kune-comfort zone. But if you destroy everything, angeke kuze kulunge. So manje lucky enough siseduze nalapha engihlala khona. Indlu khona lapha eduze lapha. Not far. Angeke ngize ngithi ngoba life i-right bese ngizothi angisaye Western Asia. Ngoba sengihlala eRimsek angisaye Western Asia. Ngoba sengihlala nama-celebrity angisabona abantu bakithi. Umphethe umthipho ngakhula ngimazi ukuthi ulithi. So akaqhubeke nami ngizoqala lokwami ngiqhubeka nayo. So if ukuthi thina sihamba the level esihamba ngayo mhlawumbe sizofika but akusizi ukuthi sithi nangu le sesiyajamba siyale ushiyeni la awushiya ngaphakhona. So kumele uzisho ukuthi uhamba nayo yonke until you get there. Each generation more understand each generation it's one and a simple thing ekumele wonke umuntu ayazi. I-generation umuntu nomuntu kumele ayazi. I-generation ifana nokuhamba kwemoto. Mayenza so imoto amathayi ayahamba yaphendula yaphambili. Ofika athi usila amathayi eBM aphelelayo kwashintsha. Why? Sephelele lo generation le. So kumele siyazi nathi ukuthi le generation bekade ikhona angeke sikwazi ukuyikhopha sihambe nayo. Thina siza neyithi generation. Ithi yaphela la nathi siyaqhubeka siyaphambili. There's people about behind us. Labantu aba behind us kumele bathi I want to be like this person. Kumanje waseka ama role model manje. Role model manje Savana neNK. Umntwana makhulu amncane na 7 years one day ngizoyiphuza Savana izongibona kahle 18 years ngizoyiphuza Savana. Umntwana manje 12 years umntwana sowucabanga iSavana. So yona role model yakho seplan yakho ukuthi wathi 18 years freedom ayifuna yana. Awasena freedom ukuthi ngizothi mangakhula ngibe njengo abo DJ Cleo abo bantu akusekho lokho. So we need to bring that back. umntwana amakhulu athi awanaphila ekuseni angathi umntwana akhula athi abana mange ngaba nemali ngizoyinyisa i-VSOP
babe nama-option.
Alright guys, thank you very much ngokuthi nibe khona and ngicela siqhubeke njalo nje. Angeke ngibize ngamagama but ngithanda kakhulu nonke futhi and ngicela all the time niqhubeke njalo ne-support. Thank you.
Power to the people. Why is another draft?